So today we're going to be changing this super bland outfit into this stylish stack jeans LA t-shirt look, which is super cool, super trendy. So you guys stay tuned for how we did that. Alright, so first what I did was I took two of the same kind of jeans. I cut the legs of the jeans off by the top of the thigh, so it kind of looks like little poom shorts, I guess. And then I took a rotary cutter and I cut the legs off. A rotary cutter worked best for me. If not, have some sharp scissors or something like that. Then you want to take the legs that you just cut off and flip them inside out. Because one of the jeans that I was using was skinny and the other one wasn't, the ones that I cut, I had to make alterations to them to make that a more skinny fit, because otherwise it wouldn't have lined up properly on the leg part. Okay, so I'm going to use a colored pencil and I'm going to use the skinny leg jean as a template on where I want to sew. And I'm going to do the same thing to the opposite leg. I'm going to make sure that I trace out where I want to sew, and then I'm going to pin it in a minute. Okay, now I'm going to pin my leg where the white line is, so that it's not any moving or anything when I'm trying to sew. Okay, so I'm just going to use my sewing machine and I'm going to sew. Make sure you do a reverse stitch and just take your time and take the pins out as you go. Now I'm going to do the same exact thing to the opposite leg. Okay, when you get here on the end, you want to make sure you do a back stitch to make sure that nothing comes loose. Okay, now you're going to cut the excess off. Now you're going to take the widest leg of the jeans and slide it up the leg of the skinny jeans. Now the goal is to line up the two ends of the jeans, and you're going to sew it along the edge of the two ends. Now, when you're sewing, do realize that you will be sewing in a circular motion. So as the pants go through, you'll be able to just kind of take it around in a circle. Okay, so you want to cut the extra strings, and then you want to flip your pants leg out, and then you want to do that to the other leg as well. Okay, so this is the final outcome of the stacked jeans. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna move on to the shirt. Okay, so here's an image that I put on Silhouette Studio, and then this is the shirt that I'm gonna use. So this is the vinyl I have on my mat, and this is the final cut product. I'm cutting with my Silhouette Cameo 4. Okay, so I'm going to cut out the section that I just cut, and then I'm going to go ahead and weed out my design. Now I'm going to make sure that my design is placed where I want it. Make sure everything is 4 fingers down. Okay, and once everything is placed where you want it, now you want to go ahead to the pressing process. Press for 15 seconds on 315. Here's the finished product. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you guys soon.